Boom. Welcome back. There it is. I'm building my first PC. First, I'm going to go through and I'm going to unbox everything. Sorry about the mess. I didn't feel like cleaning nothing up. But first PC I'm going to build myself. Went out, bought all this stuff. I've been wanting to build one for a while. I just finally decided to do it this time. And I had to get a desk and a chair. I got those from Walmart. Everything isn't, top of the line. I cheaped out on quite a few things, but I think I got some good stuff here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox everything first. I feel like I should unbox that and put that together so I can build this stuff on there. I tried to buy one of those long white tables at Walmart, but they didn't have any. They're out of stock. I've been to 2 Walmarts and they didn't have any, so this is all they had. I wanted one of those long white tables, but that's all they had, and so I got it. Yep. So gonna build my first PC. Stay tuned. That's the monitor right there. Should be fun. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the unboxings. Then I'm gonna put it all together too on video.